The survey mode is one of my favorite organizational tools in Lightroom. It's a really good way to highlight certain photos and eliminate the ones that you don't want to work on. Let's go ahead and jump into it. I'm going to select these 3 photos at the bottom by clicking on the first image, holding the Shift key, and then clicking on that last image. These images are very similar, and I want to choose the one that I like the best. To get to the survey mode, I can either click on this button in the toolbar or press the N key. If I'd like to have a little more real estate, I'll press the Tab key. That will hide the left and right panels. Now I'm able to see all 3 of these images, and it's a little bit easier for me to determine which one I like better. If I hover over the image, some very small flag icons appear on the bottom left. In terms of flagging, I can either pick or reject this image. I can also use a keyboard shortcut. Let's say I don't like this photo at all, and I know I never want to use it. So in that case, I might want to press X, which is going to reject that photo. Now if you look in the thumbnail view on the bottom, you can see that that photo on the left is grayed out. In terms of the survey mode, I can also click on this X button to remove it from my view. All that does is deselect the photo, so now I no longer see it. For these 2 images, there's a very subtle difference in the light and the shadows on the left side of the glass. On the left, there's a little bit more shadow, and on the right, I used a reflector to bring some light back into that glass. And between these 2 photos, I really like the photo on the left. That image is selected, so I'm going to press P to pick it as my favorite. To get out of survey mode, I just press the Escape key. Now if I click off to the side to deselect these photos, you can see that I have 1 photo that I've rejected and 1 that I've picked. And then I would just continue this process on other similar groupings of photos in this series.